Hello guys and welcome back to another Hunter's Prestige builds video. We've got a bit of a challenge on today's video because the customer's brought the vehicle to us and we only have 12 hours to finish this car. It's going to have a big transformation, a lot of things are going to be changed, that's why the guys are already working on the car, so cracking on because we are tight for time. Here's what the vehicle looked like before. So this customer has a checker plate kit fitted from Land Rover. Unfortunately, he had the vehicle turn up and he wanted it to be in gloss black. But unfortunately, Land Rover don't yet provide checker plate in gloss black, which kind of makes sense because the whole idea of checker plate is actually supposed to be to protect the car and protecting the paint. But the only issue is Land Rover didn't make them aware that it wasn't going to be in gloss black. So they chucked it on the car anyway, and obviously we provide the checker plate kits in gloss black, so we're going to have to carefully remove it because not only is he already got checker plate already installed in the car, he has a PPF wrap as well, which is actually the checker plate is fitted on top of the PPF wrap. So we need to be very, very delicate, taking the actual tape off and splitting the tape to remove the checker plate as well. It's not that I can't take it off, it's just I'm being really careful where the seam is. The issue is when they put PPF on the cars, they leave like a 3mm gap between the arch or the end of the body panel and then that PPF. Now what I don't want to do is pull the arch or the protector off and pry up the PPF, because once PPF starts to come off, it comes off everywhere. And this is the fun bit, removing all the 3M tape that's left after. Lovely!
Are you ready for this? Are you ready for this? Are you ready for this? Are you ready? Are you ready for this? Are you ready for this? Are you ready for this? Are you ready?
So what I'm using right now is Autogleam's intensive tire remover. So normally we apply it on like a little swab, but because it's got PPF, we need to be very, very careful not to put any near the edge of the PPF, otherwise it will start releasing the PPF. So I'm doing it with a rag on the outside edges, and then the inside we have to be very, very careful.
All day and even all night, make you go crazy, can make you start to yawn, can make you grab the microphone and turn the party on. But dance all day and even all night, I can dance all day and even all night.
Are you ready for this? Are you ready for this? Are you ready for this? Are you ready? Are you ready for this? Are you ready for this? Are you ready for this? Are you ready?
Right, so we're making good progress on the vehicle. All of the 9-piece checker plate kit has now been removed. We've already changed the tail lamp covers to gloss black. The rear checker plate strip has been removed also. And you can see we're just finishing up cleaned up all the exterior of the body where we've removed all the tape, which was a very, very long process.
What are we actually putting on, George?
What are we actually putting on? So the customer's changing them to the gloss black ones. So we've got a 9-piece gloss black checker plate strip going on there. We've also, if I pull down the bonnet, already put on the pod light. So we've got a V3 pod light on there. So the guys have already run that. We've also taken off the wing mirror covers. So we're going to be putting the gloss black ones on very, very shortly. Guys are just doing the soft rear closed door. And there's a lot more to still do on this vehicle. That was a lovely noise, wasn't it? Did you hear that? Right, so we've made good progress on the vehicle today. It's actually the end of today. That's a stupid thing to say, isn't it, really? Yeah. Cut that out. Right, okay, so there you go, guys. We've finished for the day. We've made great progress today. We've removed all the checker plate from the car, replaced it with the gloss black. We've fitted the V2, done the soft close. What else have we done? Changed his plates over, so we want to change the plates over to custom plates. Tomorrow, we've got lots to do. So we're putting the Plumb roof rack on. He's just added the Plumb D-pillars, just put the Plumb wheel cover on already, and Plumb spoiler, which will be really, really nice. First time I've actually fitted one in a video. So can't wait to show you guys what it looks like. And this is going to probably be the most plumbed out Gondwana stone Defender on the market. So lots to do tomorrow. See you then. Right, so it's day 2. We actually made great progress yesterday because one of the technicians wanted to stay late in the evening working on the car because he's so excited to get one of the Plumb spoilers fitted on the car. So he's actually done all the activations last night. So the activation's already pre-installed in the car, ready now to go. He's fitted the Plumb spoiler. We knew it was going to be very difficult to fit these because they are quite tricky to do. You have to wiggle them around a lot and get the spacing absolutely correct. And then you also transfer the brake light over as well. Guys, can you just press the ignition, foot on the brake, please? We'll show how it lights up. There we go. So it looks lovely. So you have to wiggle it in, get the spacing right on the spoiler, just to make everything as flush as possible. Nick is now in the process of fitting the Plumb D-pillars, so he's added them to the order, as well as the ambient light extension kit. So we're doing that now. We're nearly pretty much done on this car. All we've got left to do is the tailgate strip, the other side of the checker plate lamp covers, and the Plumb roof rack as well. So let's get cracking. Right, so we are pretty much finished now. The customer threw us a bit of a curveball and changed his wheels at the last minute. So we swapped over wheels and tyres as well. And now just got these back. Tyres are on, and this car is pretty much finished. So there you go guys, we've completed this build in perfect timing. We had enough time for the customer to add some additional extras to his car, and this is probably the meanest P400e, and it's definitely unique. I mean, just look at it, it's completely changed from what it looked like before. It's absolutely meaner than it ever has been. Every accent on it is now gloss black. We've removed all the checker plate, changed it for the gloss black checker plate. It's added loads of Plumb products. Right, so full spec of this vehicle, we've changed so much on this car. We've added a grille light, so we've gone for the double line LED grille light. We've also added the Hunter's V3 pod light in gloss black. To go along with that, he's added the Hunter side vents with integrated LEDs on there. They look absolutely wicked. As you can see, throughout the whole of the vehicle, we've changed all the matte checker plate that the vehicle originally came with from the dealer that the customer did not want. It took us quite a few hours to actually remove everything on there and get rid of all the excess tape that was left behind from the matte checker plate. We've now changed all of them to gloss black, and it looks so much better. It really pops through the whole of the Gondwana stone, satin wrap as well. It looks absolutely wicked. We've changed the wheels, so the customer had enough time at the end of the day to change the wheels over. So we've added some 22s with some Geolander Yokohamas on there as well. He's added a lot of Plumb products to the vehicle. So he's added a Plumb 110 roof rack. He's gone for a Plumb spoiler as well, which is unique within itself. Absolutely love this thing. That's the first one we've fitted in-house. We sent a lot of them out, but don't worry guys, there will be some coming back shortly. He's added the Plumb D-pillars, just added a little bit of additional storage. He does have dogs, so he said he's going to be quite useful to add like leads and things like that in there as well. Not only that, he's gone in for a Plumb wheel cover as well, with the additional table in there and a storage space. Again, really handy, especially when he goes on his long walks. He can set himself up with a nice cup of tea. Also added a flat bottom Alcantara steering wheel just to give it as much of a V8 feel as possible, and brought the vehicle back to factory standard with the sunglass holder as well. Okay, and at the back of the vehicle, we have also changed the matte checker plate lamp covers as well. Goes really nice to the car, and you know, the whole checker plate theme throughout the vehicle. We've added a V2 on there as well, so the checker plate tailgate strip is now added a little bit more protection. He's got dogs, so coming in and out of that car, you don't want to scratch that rear bumper. We've also added reverse lights on there, so these are really popular, especially when you've got a whole blackout theme at the back of the car. It looks absolutely wicked. We've also added the exhaust shield on there as well. So unfortunately, we don't yet have the P400e exhaust tips in the Hunter style just yet, but they are on the way. So the customer wanted the exhaust shield to be fitted to the car for when he's got the exhaust tips as well. And not only that, we've added an LED version 2 boot light and a soft close. So we've done so well to finish this vehicle within the 12 hours that we set ourselves. The whole team at Hunter's Prestige pulled together really nicely to finish this vehicle in time. I'm so happy with how it looks. Honestly, this is the most spec'd up P400e on the market, with the Plumb, all of the accents, as well as all the checker plate and gloss black. Just goes so nicely with the satin PPF wrap that he's got on his Gondwana stone. This is definitely my favourite vehicle that we've done this year so far. So as always guys, don't forget to like, follow, subscribe and hit that bell notification to stay up to date with what we're doing at Hunters. See you on the next video.